Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to delete a Zoom account. So you may have any reason for deleting your account. Maybe you're upgrading to another software, or maybe you have a new account and you want to delete the existing one. In any case, it depends on you why you want to delete it. So the process is simple. Now you could see the Zoom app in front of me. What I need to do is I need to go to my settings, which are just under my profile picture, top right of the screen. And in here I would select profile, which is the fourth option from the bottom, and I would select view advanced features. Now once I do that, a new tab is opened in my web browser, Google Chrome in my case, and I would just close these settings, the one associated with the Zoom app, because I've now opened the advanced settings, which could only be accessed from a web browser. You cannot amend or change these options using the Zoom app itself. So when you're in here, the next thing you'd do is you'd go to this option, account management, under the admin heading, and in here select this option, account profile. Now once you do that, it would list the basic information which is associated with your account, the sort of account, your role, and your meeting capacity. To finish your account permanently, just click on terminate my account in here, and now you have to enter a verification code which would be sent to your email. I've already got my email open and on here. To send the code, I would just click on this option, send code, and a code has been sent to my email here in the update section. I would just open this email and I would just copy this code using Control-C here, and I would just paste this code in here, and once I'm done with that, I would just click on continue, and then my account would be terminated. I'm just showing this as a demonstration, so I do not need to actually delete my account. I'm just showing you the procedure as in how to do it. So this is how you would delete your Zoom account. Just remember, however, that once you've done this process cannot be undone. You would have to create a new account. So anything which has been associated with your previous account, for example, any sort of messages or any scheduled meetings or anything, all of these would be erased. So do be cautious when you're deleting your Zoom account.